These are the quarter panels and wheel arch covers for the Austin Healey BN4 106. It's only applicable for the early style models going up until chassis number 68,959. Always worth double checking because the factories were a bit inconsistent. But basically what you get in this kit is a pair of the actual quarter panels here, these hockey stick shaped things, and then you also get sewn wheel arches that sit behind them as well. So let's just go over these bits and bobs. So like I say, you get a pair of hockey sticks. Now these are hardboard panels. If I open this up slightly, you can see in there hardboard. They're all cut on our CNC machine, so you've got a nice neat finish to them all. They're then fully trimmed all the way round with vinyl or leather. These happen to be done in bright red vinyl with a black contrasting piping going around it. Now we trim ours all the way round, as you can see. A couple of competitors out there, all they do is trim part of it. We trim ours all the way around. However, we do leave this little flap on the back, and that is intentional. It's basically so when you're actually putting it onto the side of the car, in essence, there's a little groove between the bodywork panels, and basically this is used to slide into there, so it creates a nice neat finish on there. So that is intentional. We always send them out like that. So trimmed all the way around with contrasting piping, or we can match the piping, up to you. So a pair of those, and then you get the wheel arches. Again, pair of these are sewn, and they have also got a top stitching detail, as you can see there. This is the right hand wheel arch, so effectively this is the front of the car this way here, this is the bottom of the car, this is the top of the car where the hood frame area is. So a pair of those as well, just so you can see on this as well. That's there, no, that's wrong. Sorry, that's there would be the right hand panel as you sit in the car. So that's the quarter panel, the wheel arch cover. So a pair of those per car set.